So hello and welcome back. This is Shivang and you are watching Shivang Hacks. This is also another commented video. This video is all about how you can hack Zombie Age 3 to get unlimited coins, cash and unlimited ammo also in Zombie Age 3. Watch this video till end. If you enjoyed, then hit the like and subscribe if you are new. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. To hack Zombie Age 3, you need to click on the link given in description below. Remember that you need to open that link only in Chrome browser. Once you open the link, you will see like this interface on your screen. The interface will look like this. You have to scroll down and you will find here that you have to click on I am not a robot. As you can see, it's verifying. As you can see, now I am verified that I am not a robot. Then you have to click here to continue. Then it will start browsing. The next page will be loaded. Here you have to wait for some seconds. And scroll down. As you can see, here you have to wait for some seconds and then scroll down and you have to click on get link. And you have to remain on the same page. As you can see now, here also you have to wait for some seconds and you have to click on download 40.9 MB. This is the Zombie Age 3 hacked version. You have to click on it and you can download it very easily. Now I am going to show you the proof that the Zombie Age 3 have been successfully hacked and also a short gameplay of this game. As you can see here, I have unlimited cash and some coins and also max level of time. As you can see, Zombie Age 3 have been successfully hacked. Now I am going to store to show you that the cash is real by buying a character of level 57. Even I can buy that when my level is 2. Because I have unlimited cash, I can request for level 49 also. I can buy very easily. The unlimited cash are real. You can buy anything, whether if heroes, gun, bikes or another boost. You can buy it very easily. It's successfully hacked and of higher level also you can buy very easily. It's time for a gameplay. Here is a short gameplay. Watch this and enjoy this gameplay. That I noticed that we can even finish the mission without doing them by giving some cash, and we know that the cash we have is unlimited. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, then hit the like and subscribe and also ring bell icon for every update. And if you want another hacked game, then you can freely comment in the comment section. I will definitely make a video on it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned till next one.